What if Mazda just built the perfect hybrid SUV? The all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5 is here. And it's packing a game-changing self-developed hybrid system, jaw-dropping design, and next-level tech. Stick around, because this might just be the best SUV of 2026. A bold new look. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Mazda's legendary Kodo design language takes center stage with sharp, aggressive LED headlights, a larger, more dominant grille, and sleek aerodynamics that scream sophistication. This isn't just an SUV, it's a head-turning masterpiece on wheels. Hybrid power meets Mazda performance. For the first time, Mazda introduces its own hybrid powertrain, delivering better fuel efficiency and lower emissions without sacrificing that signature Mazda driving thrill. If you thought hybrids were boring, think again. This CX-5 is built to excite. Luxury inside. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium, driver-focused cockpit with high-end materials, an upgraded infotainment system, and cutting-edge driver assistance tech. Whether it's daily commutes or weekend adventures, the CX-5 wraps you in comfort and innovation. Mark your calendars. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is set to launch in late 2025, so stay tuned for pricing and test drive updates. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Mazda CX-5 the ultimate hybrid SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.